This video is made possible by our loyal Patreon supporters. Visit patreon.com/Psychetruth.
Hey guys, it's Monica. Welcome to my beginner level workout. Here, this is safe for all levels for beginners, postpartum, or prenatal. I have my friend Laura here today. She is 27 weeks pregnant. I'm also a mom of 2 little ones and 2.5 years postpartum. Dance Fit is a great way to burn lots of calories and have a lot of fun. You can check out the full program on Amazon Prime Video and the Yoga Plus app. You don't need any equipment or props for this workout, but I do recommend that you use a yoga mat. So here we're gonna go straight into a cat-cow pose. So that is your hands directly under your shoulders, and your wrists under your shoulders, and knees directly under those hips. Here we're gonna start with a stretch up, and then bring that back all the way up to the ceiling, pulling those abdominals in. And again, deep inhale, and reach all the way up, and exhale. We're gonna do 6 more, reach all the way up, lift, and then round out that back. Few more here. Again, all the way up, and look up. One more time. Back down. And now here, we're gonna fully align our body. You don't want any arch in your back or any rounding of your back. And here we're going to start with some toe taps back. So here you're just gonna extend that foot back to center. Extend that foot back, tap the floor. Here we're gonna do 16. Okay, so here's 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now, if you want more of a challenge, now we're gonna try kicking our leg back. You don't wanna hyperextend, and you don't want your leg to be extremely low as well. So you wanna try to make it parallel to your body. So you're gonna lift and then send that leg back down to center, and then other side. Here you want to really flex those glutes and point those toes. We're gonna do 16 here, 16, 15, 14, deep breath in and exhale, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now here we're gonna add a little more of a challenge. We're gonna extend that back leg and bring that opposite arm out and then back to center. So reach back to center. Here we're gonna do 16. So you're 16, 15, 14, good, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Here, hold. So here we're gonna do that sequence one more time. Here I want you to really pay attention to your alignment. You wanna be pulling your core in. So thinking about pulling those abdominal muscles all the way from the back towards your belly button here. Okay, so directly shoulders above those wrists. Let's start again from the top. We're gonna do 16 toe taps, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now here, lift that leg up and back down. up. So here's 12 more. 12, 11, 10. Pull that core in. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now here, add that opposite arm to legs. So reach and then back down. Reach. So here's 14 more. Here's 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good job. Now here, bring that back all the way up, arch, and release. And stretch it all the way up, looking upward. One more time, round out that back, pull that belly button in towards your spine, and then release. Good job. And now here, come back into a child's pose. You want to widen your legs out so you can sit back onto your booty. Take deep breaths here. Let's be here for 8 counts. 8, 7, 6. Another deep breath. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now come up, bring those knees together or whatever feels comfortable for you here, and reach those arms up. Deep breath in and exhale, hands to center, and again, and hands to center. 2 more times, and 1 more. And here, roll those wrists out. If you are feeling any tension in those wrists, you can always drop to your forearms and change up the workout there. So let's go straight back into hands and knees, shoulder directly above the wrists. Remember, you can put those forearms down if you need to, but I would prefer you here if you can. We're going to bring our leg out into some fire hydrants. So this means you're going to be lifting the knee, holding here, and then bringing it back to center. You want to make sure those hips stay forward and they're not opening out like that. So you want to make sure square to the floor and just lifting that leg. So here we're going to do 16. Here's 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now here we're going to switch to the other side. So remember, keeping those hips square to the ground and only bringing that leg up. So here is 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now back to center. Now here we're going to blend the fire hydrant and the leg lift back for 16 times. So here we're going to start with that fire hydrant and leg lift back. So here is 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, almost there, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, good job, 3, 2, and 1. and bring that foot and knee back to center. Now other side, if at any point you feel like you need to drop back and roll those wrists out, go ahead and do that and then catch back up. So back down to shoulders directly above those wrists and bring it out and up for 16. So you're 16, deep breath, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, and 7, 6, few more, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good job. Bring that leg back in and widen your stance here to go into a child's pose. Send your hips back, release the shoulders, release those wrists. Deep breath and then exhale. 8 counts here. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back to hands and knees. Realigning those knees underneath those hips, and then we're going to be transitioning our body to our side, and we're going to open up that hip, reach that arm out. Here we're going to keep the knee on the ground. We don't want to force any coning of the core, especially for prenatal. And then we're going to bring our arm out, and we're going to bring that knee towards that elbow. Here we're going to do 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good job. Now here we're going to go to the other side. So take your time out of this position. Plant that hand down. Keep the knee on the floor. You want to really listen to your body here. Reach that arm to your side, and 16 lifts here. 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good job. Release that hip all the way down. Take your time. And here you're going to bring your feet to center. You want to readjust your body to roll those shoulders back. Take a deep breath in. And here we're going to reach to our side and stretch. Switch sides. Deep breath in. And exhale. 16 more here. Full reach. Good job. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, almost there. Feel that stretch. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good job. Bring those arms all the way up. Deep breath. And exhale, hands to heart center. Thanks so much for working out with us. This is a safe workout to do 3 to 5 times a week, and I'll see you in my next video. Be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And if you haven't already, follow us on social media for tips, tutorials, giveaways, and daily inspiration. You can find the rest of this program and all my Dance Fit workouts on Amazon Prime Video and the Yoga Plus app.
Introducing Yoga Plus, offering a free series every month with over 300 different videos. Take control of your health. Work out anytime, anywhere. Yoga Plus. Download now for free.